This is Alicia from the Huron Public Library, and this is a tutorial for teens and tweens to sign up for the various events throughout the summer reading program. So first thing you're going to do is click on your browser. Any browser will do. And then you're going to go to the website, library.huronsd.com. Okay, once you get there, you will see the various areas of the library. You can look at our genealogy section. You can have a link to our Facebook page, other things like that. And then over here is our catalog. You can see what the library has. Also, you can have access to my library card account. You can renew your books, you can pay your fines, you can put books on reserve for curbside pickup. Everything you need you can get through just clicking on that link. For the summer reading program, we want to go to the library events calendar, and you're going to click here. Okay, here's the calendar. We're going to go to summer reading program in June. The summer reading program starts June 8th, and for the summer reading program, the events for teens and tweens, most of them are going to be registration required. So anyone that has this little icon, you're going to need to register for that craft or watch party or book club. So for each event, you'll be able to register the week before the event actually happens. And then you'll be able to pick up your craft kit or any other items that the event will need on the Tuesday before the craft happens. So every craft that you're registering for or event during this week, you can actually start registering on the 1st, and then you can pick up all of those kits and items on the 2nd. The Tween squishy craft, you'll be able to register on the 1st. You'll click on it. When you click on it, this screen will pop up, and on the 1st it will be fillable, so you're going to be able to put in your information, and then when you've filled it out, you will click submit. And if there's room, you will have been accepted into the event. Going back here, there are different events throughout the summer reading program. Most of the crafts are going to be through Facebook. So you would go to our Facebook page, and that's where you would watch most of the video tutorials on the crafts. The other one are the Netflix watch parties. And so for, let's say, the party on the 9th for Back to the Future, what you would need to do is have a Netflix account. And also you're going to need Chrome, and that's on either a laptop or a PC. And then you are also going to need the Netflix party extension through your account. And then a lot of our book clubs are going to be through Zoom. And so for that, you need to have a Zoom account, and those are free. So you would just create an account. So that's the basics of the summer reading program. Register the week before, starting Monday, for all of the next week's events, and then pick up all of your items the week before your event on the Tuesday leading up to your event. So I hope you guys have a great summer reading program. I hope you'll be able to enjoy all of our events and have a great summer. Thanks.